Okay, this is the assembly of the new Cantebury Plaque. The first thing we do is we take the pin, leave one clear washer on the pin. Remove 4 clear washers and 4 spacers. And Stephanie will show you how to. The first thing is you put the 4 spacers on the top of the inserts, the plaque. Next thing is to take each of the one plastic washer, place it on the top of each of the spacers, and take the glass, just place it on top, approximately where the holes are, then take each of the pins, slide them down in, tighten just a small amount, tighten up finger tight until you then need to use the little Allen key. Tighten. And you are finished.